Today, I want to show you how to utilize pipelines in your CRM. I'm not going to waste any time. Let me just get right into it. I'm going to share my screen with you now and show you one of our pipelines, an example. And so this is one of our pipelines. This is for our upcoming workshop. You'll notice there's 173,000 worth of potential activity in there. So here's one of the coolest things now. When you go to inside of your pipeline, I'm going to show you, this is a demo pipeline. It's not the exact same one, just for privacy reasons. But see, these are the leads, and you'll notice there's different stages. So if somebody comes in as a new lead, either they came in through a form they submitted, or possibly through the chamber, or we put their information, it would go into the new lead. If it came in through a Facebook ad we ran, it would go right in here. So anytime a lead comes into any of these stages, what will happen is the stages can trigger other activities to happen and other actions to happen. So for instance, this lead right here, you'll notice this is one of our automations, and this is in the 6-step sales process automation. If we move the pipeline stage into conversation, then what happens is automatically this email is going to be sent. This is all the email on my course and the events. So we save that. And then it will automatically schedule a follow-up call saying, hey, call in 2 days. And oh, by the way, connect on LinkedIn. So this is going to happen every single time. And the only thing you have to do now is when you're inside of the actual, and you'll see here it is right here because I just launched that, but let me go back. So if you go back to the stage, I just take David test. I move that into conversation. That's all I have to do. I move that from this stage to this stage, and then you'll see what happens is it then sends this email right here. The system itself, beautiful email, has everything they need to know, a link to book a call with me, my calendar link, by the way, which we set this up in the system. You can also have an attachment. We have an attachment. You'll see the attachment. Yep, there you go. You'll have the attachment as well on there. And this all happens in our system. You can set up an SMS if you want, saying, hey, please check your email. You can set up whatever you want. And then, by the way, here's the notes, and then here's the task. Remember, I said it would schedule a task. Determine motivation and next steps, follow up. You'll see the date. Today's January 12th, and it's January 14th. Again, all I did was move the stage from one to the next. That's it. And if I move this one, same thing will happen. Now I can take all of these different steps or stages in the sales process, and I can assign tasks to every single one. So anytime I move something to the next stage, it does the work for me, and things are foolproof. Now, the nice thing about having the right pipelines is you can just log into your pipelines. You can see, again, I'm not showing you my pipeline that has 170,000 for privacy purposes, but you can log in your pipeline. You can see every stage people are in, and then you can follow up based on these stages. Hope this was useful. You need to start building pipelines right away. And if we can help with that, what I want you to do is go to davidhill.link, and you can go down to the bottom and schedule 15 minutes with me, and let's see if we're a good fit for your business. And if you're watching this video, wherever I sent it from, I'm guessing there's a link down below. You can go and click on that as well. Thanks, and we look forward to helping you have the strongest year in sales you've ever had using automations and the right AI tools.